Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you want to scale your business and earn more money, then make sure to subscribe, as I make videos where I share with you tools that will help you grow your business. Today, I want to share with you 2 Photoshop actions that will help you to scale your designs for print on demand and KDP. I will show you how to create those actions yourself, but if you want to download them and use them right away, I will leave a link in the description down below, so check it out. The first action we are going to talk about will help you scale designs for your print-on-demand business. What this action does is it turns PSD files into PNG files, ready to upload to multiple websites like Redbubble or Merch. You can create this action by simply opening the PSD file you want to use. And hitting the record button for the action. Then, you will need to save the file as a PNG, and hit the stop record button. And that's it, now you have a Photoshop action that will turn any PSD file into a PNG file. If you want to learn about how to use it for automation, keep watching until the end of the video, and I will show you how. The second action is one that will help you create KDP covers from your PNG files. To make this action, you need to hit the record action button and follow these steps. Open the PNG file you want to edit. Change the image size based on your trim size. For this action I used 6:9 and 120 pages. Change the size of the PNG layer, and position it to your liking. Create a new layer and change the fill to any color you want. Move the layer you created down. And finally, save the file as a PDF. Also, don't forget to close the document. You can use a KDP template while making this action, but keep in mind to remove any extra actions or extra layers before stopping the record, otherwise it won't work. Now that you know how to create those actions, I'm going to show you how to use them. To use the first action, you need a design, with a text variable that you define. You can define text variables by creating a text layer, and clicking on Image, Define Variables, and Define. Once there, you need to choose the text layer you want, and click on Text Replacement, and put as name, the column name on your Excel sheet. Make sure to check if the name on your Excel sheet matches the one you enter here, or you're going to get errors. After doing this, you need to press Image, Define Variables, and this time, you need to press on Data Sets and upload your CSV file. After you add your dataset, you then go to Export, Datasets as Files, choose the folder where you want to save them, and their names. After doing so, you will have a file full of PSD files. To turn them into PNG files, all you need to do is go to Automate, Batch, choose the action you want to use, and pick the source folder, and the destination folder. It's worth mentioning that when you automate the PNG files into PDF files, you will need to additionally press the Override Open commands for it to work properly. Now you know how to use Photoshop to automate your designs and create PNG files, as well as PDF files, so that you can automate your print-on-demand and KDP business and save more time. If you want to learn about how to automate your uploads for free, then make sure to check the videos in the cards, to learn how to do that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and subscribe for any future videos like this. Thanks for watching.